The cut line is an inconvenience, but no more than that. It won't go to waste. Our style, always within someone, can produce so much so quickly. And it's really silk.
This is my clipper, plugging it to my decoder so that I can be using it to charge. It's now charging, so I can now use it to cut my hair. Simple. So take this side out. So I want to go on a skin cut, man. So you see my skin cut, right? Wanna check this out? So this is how I barb myself. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. So this is how I do my thing. This is how I cut my hair. Like seriously, I don't go to salon to do it. So with this, I'm sure. Yeah. So it's the back that I'm barbing like this. So I've just saved this money. If you're just watching me, you too can do this to save your own money, man. So this is what's up, man. I have my hair cut. So all I need from you is for you to tell me if the haircut is nice. So just take a look at my jaw. So just take a look at it. Just tell me if the haircut is okay. Just take it. Why? Go home, try it, and thank me later. See you until next time will come your way.